We are in a new olive plantation that has been installed last year, and as you can see, this land is very sensitive to erosion and to degradation due to the steep slope, and the farmer has planted the trees without to take any measure against erosion. You see the land is bare, and there is also a high amount of rock fragments in the soil surface that protect partially the water and the soil erosion, but again, there is a high degree of erosion, as you see down here going, the runoff water, which starts creating some type of real erosion on the soil surface. And this is not a good example of land management. It is, you can say, yes, we can plant the olive trees, but in order to protect the land until the trees become bigger and protect the soil from erosion, it is necessary to grow plants during especially during the winter period, especially to plow the soil and to use some